A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, New York Attorney General Letitia James has taken steps to reinstate a staggering $500 million civil fraud penalty against former President Donald Trump. This move follows a recent ruling by the state's Appellate Division that deemed the hefty fine excessive and unconstitutional under the Eighth Amendment. The appeal, filed on Thursday, seeks to reverse the decision that cut the penalty down to zero. The case centers around allegations that Trump and his organization inflated the value of their assets for better loan and insurance terms, a claim that has been at the forefront of this long-standing legal battle. The Appellate Division upheld the finding that Trump committed fraud by misrepresenting his net worth, but argued that the penalty imposed by Manhattan Supreme Court Justice Arthur Engoron was excessive. The appeal indicates that James's office is determined to pursue accountability for what they describe as a staggering fraud perpetrated by Trump and his associates. The controversy has garnered significant attention, with Trump vehemently denying any wrongdoing and labeling the investigation as a politically motivated witch hunt. The case has involved testimony and evidence that painted a picture of inflated valuations, including claims that Trump's Trump Tower triplex was 30,000 square feet instead of its actual size of 11,000 square feet. Additionally, Trump's valuation of his Mar-a-Lago estate was called into question when a tax broker testified that the property had a market value far less than the $517 million Trump claimed. Trump's legal team argues that there were no victims in this case, asserting that sophisticated banks like Deutsche Bank conducted their own due diligence before entering into agreements with Trump's organization. They also maintain that the financial institutions were fully compensated, thus negating the need for such a severe penalty. As the legal battle continues, it remains to be seen how the New York Court of Appeals will respond to James's appeal and whether they will reinstate the substantial fine. The case not only highlights the ongoing scrutiny of Trump's business practices, but also raises questions about the intersection of law and politics in high-profile cases. The timeline for when the Court of Appeals will hear arguments is still unclear, but the stakes are undeniably high for Trump as he navigates these legal challenges. This appeal adds another layer to a saga that has captivated the nation, with implications that extend beyond the courtroom. As developments unfold, all eyes will be on the New York court system and the potential ramifications for Trump and his business empire. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.